Yes, wrong. Yes. Okay, very good. Most, you made it. Very, very good. Okay, give yourself. Yes, very good. Next class, I will check more. Okay, so now let's continue for speaking. Last class, now this page. Yes. So last class we learned almost 20 words. So the first 12 easy, right? When speak Chinese, use picture. Okay, so the first 12 for 我, 你, 他. So and then if plural 是我们, 你们, 他们, just add 们, right? If possession, just add 的, 我的, 你的, 他的, 我们的, 你们的, 他们的, like here. So first remember 我, 你, 他. 你 like 你好, easy, right? Okay. 我, 你, 他. So if plural, 我们, 你们, 他们, yes. If possession, 就是我的, 你的, 他的. For example, say my coffee. 我的咖啡, yes. 他的咖啡, right? Yes. And then number 13, 14, 15 we learn 要 want, negative 不要, and 是 to be, am is are. And then we learn 19, 朋友 friend. Yes, means friend, 朋友. And then we are in China, so we learn China, 中国, 中国. If people, number 21. Now you know how to read. Yes, 人, 人, yes. Okay. Last time we learned this word, right? From number 1 to number 15, and then 19, 20, 21. So even use these very limited words, you can start to introduce yourself and your friends, right? For example, now let's try introduce yourself. For example, I give example, say, 有是要的, so like say, 我是 Linda, 我是中国人, 我们是朋友, 他是我的朋友 right? 我是 Raphael 的朋友，我要水 Raphael 要咖啡，他们不要咖啡，他们要水。Understood? Now it's your turn. Yes, you can make it, okay? So start to introduce yourself, your name, where you from. So where you from, it's easy. Just say, 我是 then country and 人, right? Yes. So, and then tell what you want. Who is your friend? What your friend want or don't want, right? Okay, who try?
我是 Asif. 我是巴基斯坦人。我是你的学生。你是我的老师。我们是你的学生。你是中国老师。我们不要咖啡，你要水。
Yes, very good. Well done. Very good. Yes. Next. Okay, who try?
水 means?
水 water. When you speak, you just use the word you know, okay? For example, last class we learned 朋友中国 right yeah 人 yes you just use the word you know if the noun you don't know you just use coffee 咖啡 this one everyone know okay next one try yes
我是医生，我是restaurant，我学生工作，
this one not correct
OK，我要咖啡，你是朋友。
Yes, so 你是朋友 you are friend. You can say 你是我的朋友 better, right? You are my friend. Yes. Next one. Try. Yes.
我是 Sunny，我是 Daily Rand，你的老师你是我的老师。
Yes.
我要茶。我不要咖啡。
Yes. Good. Very good. Yes. Next. Yes.
我叫 Sana， 我是巴士汉，他们是我的朋友，他是 Tri， 他是 Rafa， 他们是巴士汉。我的朋友不要茶，他们不要咖啡。
Yes. Very friendly. Nice. Yes. Well done. Next. Try. In the class, no need to be shy. You made a mistake, doesn't matter. That's why we are here, we study. Here, you just, yes, speak out. Because then, build the confidence. Then when you go out, you are not shy. Okay? Next.
我是吴小马，我是阿尔及利亚人，我是你是老师，中国老师，你要我要注意，他是朋友，你要咖啡。
All correct. This one, 他是朋友 means his friend. Actually, usually we say he's my friend, right? Then how to say?
他是我的朋友。
Yes. That yes. So that's why we say use picture. Look, say 他是我的朋友. Yes. Now, because statements, Chinese, English, the same structure, you can translate fine. But very soon we will learn question or question word. So then with the English structure, it's different. If you translate, it's disaster. That's why when speak Chinese, try not translate. Use the picture. Later you will see. So yes.
If we use the name of my friend, then how I
Try.
我是萨，我是巴基斯坦人，阿西，我的朋友。
Asif need the verb. 是。
阿西是我的朋友。
Yes.
你是中国老师。
Yes.
我要咖啡。他们要茶。
Yes, good. So here your question is if people's name possession how to do. Yes. So 的 for possession. For example, say she is my friend. 她是我的朋友 possession, right? So for example, say I am Peter's friend. Then if name, then how to say the same? You say 我是 Peter 的朋友。Use 的 even it's a name. Understand? So use the. Yes.
The is compulsory. The is compulsory if we use the name of that person.
Yes. For example, yes, correct. Like just I said, 我是 I am, right? I am friend of Peter. So Chinese use Peter's friend. So say 我是 Peter 的朋友. So also use the for possession.
Oshi Borhan, Oshi Manjala Goren, Osama Shi Ode Pen Eu, O Main Shuishan,
我们
Omen Shi Shuishan, Ni Shi O
我的
Laushi,
我的
Oda Laushi,
Yes.
O Yao Wat O Yao Shui, O Bu Yao Cafe.
Yes. Nice. Yes. Made it. Yes. Okay. One more.
Muhammad, 我是巴基斯坦人，我是Rana的朋友 and 我有咖啡。
Yes. Good. Very good. Yes. Okay.
我叫洪泽，我是巴基斯坦人，我是学生，我是中国人老师，我是
Wait.
中国老师。
I'm Chinese teacher.
Yes. No, you are Chinese.
Yeah. So then how to say? 你要我。
我是中国老师。
我不是 I'm not. Okay.
学生
Okay.
他是我的朋友。
Yes.
我是मुस्तनसर的朋友。
Yes. Okay. Good.
我是 Rana, 我是 Pakistan.
我是 Pakistan. So if you tell where you from, you must add 人. Otherwise, for example, if I say 我是中国人 means I'm Chinese. If I say 我是中国 means I am China. So it's a country. That's why you must say 人.
我是 Pakistan 人.
Yes.
我是西是 Linda 是我的老师 Abdullah 是我的朋友
Okay, fine. Here, just one thing. 我的 not 我的 Usually say, okay, 他要咖啡 If you question the same, 他要咖啡吗 If I ask you, I say, 你要咖啡吗 See? Right? Use picture. And then, how to say, are you my friend? Chinese, how to say?
是我的朋友吗？
Quickly use picture. English, are you my friend? Chinese say, you are my friend? Yes. So that's why I say speak Chinese, use picture because order always same. If I ask you, then I point you. We talk. I say you first. 你是我的朋友吗？你是我的朋友吗 Right? You see, we still follow subject, verb, object. You just add ma. We don't need to think, need to move, to change. No need. That's why when speak Chinese, try not translate. Use a picture. Understand? Now let's try. Now you make a sentence. Try to use these words. Okay?
Can you use in this way? Nishi Yao Peng Ilma. Nishi.
好。
Nishi.
Yes.
Nishi Yao Peng Ilma.
What's 要朋友
Want. Do you need friend?
Then no need 是 Try again.
Ni Yao Peng Ilma.
Yes. Correct. See, His question say 你要朋友吗 means okay, sorry, I have to speak English, okay? Because I need to explain to you. But when you speak Chinese, don't translate, don't speak English, okay? So his meaning is, do you want friend? You see, say 你要朋友吗 Yes. Okay, try quickly.
Can I make one?
Yes.
Linda, 我的老师吗？
Linda.
Linda, 我们的老师吗？
Yes. Need a verb, no verb. Linda.
Subject.
我们的老师吗